Okay, so this is a video for the on-balance volume and ultimately the on-balance volume 9, the OBV-9. So what I've got here is, this is pro real time. We have on-balance volume and the 9 EMA, and you can see how this looks here. And then we have the on-balance volume hard-coded indicator, so you don't have to mess around at all making your own. So this is what they both look like. As you can see, they are identical. I'll just remove them now and I will show you how to do first the manual OBV with a 9 EMA and then how to install the integrated hard-coded indicator. So this is version 11 on Pro Real Time. Come down to the bottom hand corner and click indicators. First of all, you want to make sure your indicators are selected here and you want to select on-balance volume. So you can just type in OBV and it'll come up with everything that's got OBV in it, and you can see here on-balance volume. You add that to the screen. So you'll see the on-balance volume line. Once you've got the on-balance volume line, you then select add indicator, and then you want to be installing the exponential moving average. So if you just put the EMA, it'll start coming up, EMA exponential moving average. Select that, and you need to select the number 9. So now we have the exponential moving average, which is blue, and the unbalanced volume indicator, which is black. Now you can leave it like that if you wish, or you can then configure it by clicking the color zones, adding the color zones, and selecting unbalanced volume as line 1 and the EMA as line 2. You can then change your colors like so. So when the market is on balance coming down and on balance positive, you have that reading of when the market is about to come off and the market comes down negatively, and when it's about to switch positively. So that's how we do the manual on balance volume. Now I'll leave this one on and I'll add the coded one. So to put the coded one on, first of all, you obviously need to download your OBV-9 indicator. Once you've done that, select indicators, and the way to import your OBV indicator, of course, is you press the import button and select the ITF file and bring it into your version of Pro Real Time. Once you've done that, press OBV again, OBV on balance indicator, OBV-9 is the one that you require, and you just press add. There you go, and that's done. Instantly it's all configured for you, and if you can see, it is identical to including and incorporating the OBV with the 9, and you have it all set ready to go. So that's how you do the on balance volume plus the 9 EMA, or just install the OBV-9 as a code and you are all good to go. Hope that helps.